Brrr. Good morning and welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. Today we got the Deuce. So we got to get it ready for the Christmas parade. We're going to put some lights on it. Stick around. Watch me hang the lights on the Deuce. Currently driving down to the garage here where the Deuce is at. Got a bigger inverter. I have a 1,000-watt inverter that I purchased off Amazon. This is the OLTE ANP. Does that even spell anything? I'm gonna get this thing hooked up and we gotta plug some lights in and we're gonna see if this will do it. All right. So here we go. I should be able to slide in here. All right, the moment of truth. Place you right here, and we'll turn this on. We have lights, but the lights are on. It's alive. All right, we are ready for the Christmas parade. Hope you all enjoy this video, and we'll see you in the parade. Bye for now.
The Christmas tree is twinkling, tinsel hanging bright. Couples twist and shimmy under colored Christmas lights. Elves are tapping rhythm on the floorboards with the shoes. Everyone's rocking out, no chance to ever lose. I regret Christmas all night long. Twist and shout, let's hear that holiday song. Oh yeah, spin around the tree, stomp your boots in time. Jump and jive, slap your hands, feel that Christmas rhyme.